You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words. They look similar but have a different pronunciation. Let's look at the top word here on your screen first. It's pronounced as beacon, a fire or light set up in a high or prominent position as a warning, a signal, essentially. Beacon, beacon. Did you get this? The bottom word is a type of meat from pork. Bacon, bacon. So the two English pronunciations are beacon versus bacon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.